This might not seem like the biggest thing in the world, but if you know, you know. And trust me, I'm very much in the camp of once I can get the lightning ports out of my life, I'm going to be thrilled. Apple has begun selling a $99 USB-C charging case for its second generation AirPods Pro as a standalone purchase, quoting The Verge.
It doesn't come cheap. The MagSafe compatible case available immediately is priced at $99. Still, if you're dead set on switching all of your gadgets to USB-C and already own a pair of second-gen AirPods Pro with a Lightning case, this upgrade is cheaper than buying a whole new set. Delivery estimates are already showing an arrival date of after Christmas, so the case might not be a viable holiday stocking stuffer unless your local Apple store gets stock in the coming days, end quote. USB-C AirPods Pro are still slightly better than this new standalone case featuring dust resistance and splash protection, along with the promise of lossless audio compatibility with Apple's forthcoming Vision Pro headset. However, both second-gen models support the latest software enhancements, including adaptive audio and conversation detection, regardless of the connector type.